Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Live and Diecast by GB, and today we will do unboxing. As you can see, we have 2025 Hot Wheels Basic case F and G, and if you notice, these are US cases, so they are definitely from the US that I got from my supplier. So both of these cases are sealed from top to bottom. Yeah. Okay, so we will unbox these cases and see if we can get the super treasure hunts. So US cards, super treasure hunt. So let's start off with the F case. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, the super treasure hunt for the F case is the Aston Martin DB4 high speed edition. Okay, and regular treasure hunt, I cannot recall anymore, but I will definitely know one when I see one. Yeah. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's see. We will be lucky enough to get a super treasure hunt from these US cases. Let's begin with Slide Kick, the Futurismo, and the Morgan Spider 3. Okay, we get the Power Rocket, the 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage, and the Rapid Pulse. Okay, the BMW 2002, Alpha Pursuit, and the Ford Bronco. Okay, we get a Chevy Impala, TV Series Batmobile, and Custom 53 Cadillac. Next, 71 Dodge Challenger, the Roger Dodger 2.0, and Salt Shaker. Next up, we got the Skull Shaker, Slide Burn, and the Tesla Model S Plaid. Okay. And then we got the Euro 3, the 94 Audi Avant RS2, and Hotoroto. The Range Rover Velar, 2018 Honda Civic Type R, and Power Wheels Dune Racer. Okay, so far we haven't seen the regular treasure hunt yet. RD06, Dodge Challenger, and the Sushi Tuner. So as you can see, they are definitely US cards. And then we have the Slide Kick, the Max Steel, and the Mazda Autosam. Okay, no sighting of the regular treasure hunt still. Okay, so we have the 67 Ford Mustang Coupe, the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, and Snoopy. Love it. Love that Snoopy guy. Then Max Steel, Flippin' Fast, and another Tesla Model S Plaid in white. Okay, so first layer is done for this F case. No regular treasure hunt. Let's check it out. Oh. Okay, we had the Chevy Spider Bolt, the RD06, and BMW 2002. Okay, so I'm not sure if, because I saw like the Aston Martin, so I'm not sure if I got it correctly, if that's the super treasure hunt for this case. The Pixel Shaker, the TV series Batmobile, and the Power Rocket. Okay, we have the Jeep Gladiator is here, so it's definitely, we have the Aston Martin as well, and we have the Optimus Prime. So now I'm confused if what's really the super treasure hunt for the FKs. I really forgot. I should have done, or reviewed the supers, because I already have both the Jeep Gladiator and the Aston Martin supers. So yeah, I should have reviewed. We have the small block, another Jeep Gladiator, and the Formula Solar. Or it could be something else. Could have been a different super treasure hunt. We get another Hot Roboto, another Chevy Impala, and the Sushi Tuner. Alright, we have a couple of Jeep Gladiators already. And I'm seeing there's another Aston Martin High Speed Edition. So there's two of them, two each. So Chevy Blazer Custom, Ford Bronco, and the Flippin' Fast. So now I'm confused. Okay, we have the TV series Batmobile, Chevy C10, and another 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. Okay, we have the Chevy Blazer Custom again, William Racing for the F1, and another Ford Bronco. I'm gonna have to look them up again. Hold on, I missed that. So we have the 92 Ford Mustang, another Optimus Prime, and the long block. Okay, so we have another Aston Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition, a GMC Cyclone, and then the Drift Ender. Okay, we have the custom Kia EV6, the 2018 Honda Civic Type R again, and another GMC Cyclone, and the last three Ford Escort, 67 Ford Mustang Coupe again, and then the tuned Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. Okay, so that's really confusing, because it's either I don't know, maybe wrong. It could be the Jeep Gladiator. That is the super treasure hunt for the FKs. It could be, because if I'm not really mistaken, it's should have been the Aston Martin High Speed Edition came first, then the Jeep Gladiator. Okay, but in here we have two. So if you can see, we have a couple of Jeep Gladiators here in this case. So if it's the super treasure hunt, there should only be one. Okay, but none of these guys is a super treasure hunt, definitely. No. Yeah, so that's really odd. Yeah, well, so yeah, that's what you get when you do an unboxing. You try to chase the super treasure hunt, you'll never know what you're gonna get, definitely. Okay, so we're done with this F case. Okay, so it's definitely sealed, no double tapes as well. Okay, no double tapes. So yeah, bizarre this, but that's just how it is. Okay, we'll do this G case. Okay, as you can see, it's also sealed, no double tapes or what. Yeah, you can see sealed from top to bottom. Definitely a US case. We will see. So this is the Jeep case. I cannot recall what follows the Jeep Gladiator Super Treasure Hunt, but I definitely have one as well. I think it's the Porsche. Maybe it's the green Porsche 911 Rally E. Let's find out. We get an okay, beginning with the Morgan Super 3, the beautiful 69 Mercury Cyclone, and another Rapid Pulse. Okay, Honda CB750 Cafe, another 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage, and the custom Kia EV6. Okay, then the custom Cadillac, the Chevy Blazer Custom, and the Alpha Pursuit. So if you're asking why I'm just unboxing these F&G cases, so again, I'm from the Philippines, and these cases are from the US, so they definitely took time to get in here. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk tuned, Chevy C10, and BMW 2002. Okay, so yeah, it does take some time from the US to the Philippines. Roger Dodger 2.0, Salt Shaker, and the Monster Dairy Delivery. Minecart, the Datsun 240Z art car, which I love, and the 92 Ford Mustang. Amaro GTC, the Euro 3, 94 Audi Avant RS2. Next up, okay, we have the Crate Racer, the Hot Wheels Ultimate T-Rex Transporter, and Power Wheels Dune Racer. Okay, we have the Buns of Steel, Ford Model A Custom 31, and the 83 Chevy Silverado. Nice. Okay, we have the 71 Dodge Challenger, 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Love the color. And the regular treasure hunt for this case is the Birthday Burner. So yeah, regular treasure hunt. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's a bit dark in here. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, but definitely the regular treasure hunt. I'm sure you have already seen it before. Okay, we got another Datsun 240Z, the McLaren V1, and Ford Model A Custom 31. And okay, moving on, we have the Monster High Ghoulmobile, the 1994 Audi Avant RS2, and Snoopy again. Okay, that's the first layer. Here goes the next. Okay, so we have the Dior 3, Hot Wheels Formula Solar, and Optimus Prime. Okay, so this This is the Porsche 911 Rally E, and it's not a super treasure hunt, so just the regular one. So I guess we're not that lucky. Sorry. We get the 67 Shelby GT500 and the Jeep Gladiator. Okay, so if the Jeep Gladiator is here in the G case and it is in the F case as well, so this is the super treasure hunt for the F case, the Jeep Gladiator. Yeah. Okay. So we didn't get the super treasure hunt for both cases, so let's see what's still in here. We got the Pixel Shaker, the small block, and DMC DeLorean. What else we have? The 68 Dodge Dart, the BMW 2002 again, and another Optimus Prime. Yep. Okay. Hotorato, small block, and rapid pulse. Okay, we got this Batmobile, one of my favorites for this year, the Nissan Skyline GTR 33 in HAS livery. I love that. And the 75 Chevy Blazer Custom. Okay, we have another Dodge Dart, the Purple Passion, and Big Air Bel Air. Okay, Dodge Challenger, Purple Passion, and another Jeep Gladiator. Custom Kia EV6, 92 Ford Mustang, and 67 Shelby GT500. Okay, so we're down to our last 9. This is the Amaro GTC, Pixel Shaker, and the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Okay, we got the 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage, the Quick Bite, and another Batmobile. And the last 3, we have Custom 53 Cadillac, McLaren V1, and the tuned version of the Nissan Skyline 2000 GT or Liberty Walk. Okay, so this case is in a bit of a bad shape. Okay, so there you go, everyone. So yeah, sealed cases from the US. Okay, we didn't get any super treasure hunts. We only got one regular treasure hunt. So you can just imagine how difficult it is, how hard it is to get a super treasure hunt or a regular treasure hunt from a sealed case. So yeah, that's just how it goes. So thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in the next unboxing. Take care.